Yeah, we are live now. You can start.
Hello, everyone. Hope you are well and safe. And thank you once again for joining us with this series of webinars that Anajori has been organizing for a couple of months now. As you know, or may not know, I'm just introducing Anajori in a line or two. Anajori is a non-profit platform to engage and promote various kinds of initiatives that are striving for social change, leadership, social entrepreneurship, and social action, and things like that in Assam and the whole of the Northeast. So uh, during the last few months, Anajori has been engaging through virtual media and inviting speakers engaged in various fields to create a network amongst people working in the Northeast. So the idea of Anajori is to bring together people and experts working on several areas of life and trying to bring about a social change and connect them together under a common platform so that we have all the resources like in one places and we can think about envisioning the future and the present of Assam and the Northeast with all our possibilities and with all our imagination. So that's what Anajori is. And so Anajori is a Thursday session, 6 to 7 p.m. is on gender and sexuality, and where we invite esteemed guests who are working in Assam and also across the Northeast on several issues that relates to gender and sexuality. So today we have amongst us Arpana Chaudhary, a very young and dynamic leader. Uh, and she is mostly called, I think she's popular as Luku amongst her friends, family, and yeah, everyone. She prefers to be addressed as Luku, I believe. So Luku, so please, everyone, meet Luku, the
Hi.
co-founder of Hobdo, yeah, of Hobdo, an organization called Hobdo, which is the first ever organization working exclusively on gender and sexuality issues in Tejpur, Assam. Apart from that, Luku was for her phenomenal work all these years. Luku was enlisted in Forbes India 30 under 30 27 list. So and that was for her work on advocating for the rights of Adivasi and tea plantation workers. So apart from gender and sexuality, I think Luku's work is also pretty intersectional in the sense that she tries to reach out and connect with different sections of people across class, caste, gender, classes. Yeah. So thank you very much, Luku, for joining us today, and we're very
Thank you,
happy.
Pratima.
Yeah, we are very happy to have you amongst us, and I mean,
Thank
many of
you.
us already know about the amazing work that you've been doing. So it's a privilege that you could take out your time to join us for this discussion. Thanks again.
I'm humble. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Luku, today we're just planning to have a small, just have a chat about your work, also your life. We'd also like to know about the Luku beyond work.
Yeah.
Eh? Who is this Luku when she's not working? And also, who is this Luku when she's working? And are these two Lukus like also like kind of connected? Do they inspire each other, or do they sometimes trouble each
Yeah,
other?
kind of they do.
So, do you like to tell us about your own personal journey and how you started this work? Like, we'll come to Habda's more specific work later, but before that, about your own
Yeah, so
experience.
my journey, so I was like they say lambe race ki ghori. So I was mostly like that. I was the black sheep. First, I was a black sheep actually. I was the black sheep of my family. So growing up, actually, I grew up as an LGBT identifying kid. I think it was back in nursery when I had recognized myself as not not cisgender, definitely. And I knew that I was not cisgendered, and I knew that my interest was never heterosexual. So, so I knew that, and in school I was in an all girls school. So like I used to be very interested in girls, and I used to uh, um, I used to flirt around with the girls in my school, and everybody used to call me that, okay, you're a guy, you're a guy. And I loved that. I loved all the attention. So
Mm.
when I reached class 9, the peer pressure came to, pretend to act straight and pretend to act, cisgendered. But it was a really hard time. From there to college was a really difficult time, because college, suddenly from an all girls school, I was like in college, and that too co-ed. And first, like, that interaction, and then, not being able to be myself, and then the pretentious life I was leading to be a cisgendered, heterosexual person. It was very difficult, definitely. And I think that was kind of a boost, that, that was kind of something, a suppressed emotion that, led to me being what I am today. And so in college, again, I was still a black sheep. And then when I was in college, then I wondered what I should do next, because college was getting over. I was graduating, and I did not have any idea what I'm going to do. So I got into mass communication and journalism. I went to TESCO University to to pursue my master's. So after my master's, during our master's, actually, we had this compulsory internship that we had to do. So I got into this organization called PACHRA, Promotion and Advancement of Justice, Harmony and Rights of Adivasis, here in Tezpur. So I got into PACHRA, and I got into a project that they were doing. They were doing this project on monitoring and mapping the maternal health violations by NHM, the National Health Mission, and this I forgot the organization's name. Damn it. So they were monitoring these facilities that women are supposed to get, like, pregnant women are supposed to get with the maternity right benefits. So they were monitoring and mapping. It was such an interesting project that instead of doing it for just like carrying out the internship for just 1 month, I held on to the internship for 1 year, and I was still doing my master's then. So right after my master's, I got employed as one of the, like, I got into this organization called NASDIC, which is one of the implementing organizations of the project. So there were 3 organizations. So I was working with NASDIC for 2.5 years. And NASDIC is basically where I started realizing about my sexuality and started. I think self-acceptance is really hard. And once you self-accept, there's no looking back. So for me, that self-acceptance came when I was working at NASDIC, because I could talk for the first time in my entire 22 or 23 years. I was, for the first time, I was able to talk to people about my sexuality, about my gender identity. Like, and people did not look at me strangely. And they were like, hi, like, you are like that. Like, it was so that helped me. That was like a boost for myself to accept, like, for me to accept myself. And then in 2017, I joined the Guwahati Queer Pride for the first time. And although I have stayed in Assam my entire life, I so did not have anybody to talk to, that I did not even know that there were Guwahati Queer Prides happening. I did not know anything about Pride or anything. So I joined the Guwahati Queer Pride in 2017, and that was the year when I was listed on Forbes Under 30. So I don't know, it kind of gave me a different kind of a strength. So I joined the Pride, and I just went there. I went there alone. I did not go with anybody. I was there alone. And when I went there, when I saw the people around me, I was like, wow, okay, I am not alone. And it was an amazing feeling. I came back, like, I think after the Pride, I met my friend, and I was like literally, waving the Pride flag, and, I was jumping and, screaming my heart out, that I finally got somebody who identifies just like I do. So in 2018, I wanted to give something back to Guwahati Queer Pride. So I was volunteering for the Queer Pride, and here in Tezpur, my friend, my co-founder of Hobdo, Indrani Kalita, you might be knowing her.
Yes.
So Indrani and I, we were doing a queer, we were doing pre-Pride events here in Tezpur, because all the promotion activities had gone, but proper, events had not happened in Tezpur. So we carried out a Pride event, pre-Pride event, and we named it Queerty Essential, which meant queer talk is essential, and it was derived from the word quintessential. So Queer Essential was held in the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, TESCO University, basically. And the response that we got from the people, from the audience, we just realized that, we need to take this work forward, because there are people who identify as LGBT, and they need a platform to speak out. They need a safe space where they can, they can connect to people, and they need a space where they need somebody to lead them into accepting themselves. So basically, now through like we named the movement, I would say here, Hobdo. And the reason behind Hobdo is that Hobdo is an Assamese word, and
Yeah.
it means both words and sound. So through words and sound, we can create dialogue. Through dialogue, we can create a movement, and through movement, we aim to bring give the LGBT people the dignity that they deserve, the right to life with dignity. And so basically, that is Hobdo, and that is my journey. And now we have done a lot of events. Like, we are trying to build up the community here in Teezpur, and we are also supporting them like financially. So definitely, financially we cannot support as of now. We are not a registered organization. We are not being able to financially support them, but mentally, as much as possible, we are trying to support them. We are trying to create a safe space. We have meetups with the community members. Sometimes we go for outings, and then we have other events like panel discussions, and then uh, we have named one of our projects Spirit Essential, because this is a college. This is mostly an outreach program that we are doing through Hubdo. We reach out to colleges, we reach out to students, and through presentations and film screenings, we try to talk to them. We try to aware them about LGBT rights, and basically make them become, and basically trying to create an equal society. So yeah, like in most of the colleges that I have gone to for outreach programs, at the end, people come up to me and tell me that I have been fighting within myself, and it's an amazing feeling. In fact, just today, a friend of mine, an acquaintance of mine, I would say, a work acquaintance of mine, she just told me that दी आपसे मिलने के बाद मतलब खुद को एक्सेप्ट करना सीखी हूँ, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So basically, I am trying to be the person that I wanted in my childhood. Trying to be the person I wanted until 2017, before I went to the Pride. So yeah, so that's my journey.
Amazing. No, I mean, yes. Which year was Hobdo formed again? 2018.
2018, yeah.
2018. So it's almost 2 years now.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
and 2 years, and yeah, I think it's gone a long way already. So that's amazing, no? Because
Yeah.
yeah, in just such a short while, like, I mean, I keep on hearing about Hobdo and the work that you guys have been doing, but I haven't had the chance to, I think, meet you like really in
Yes.
person.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but glad that we are talking about it like today.
Yeah.
So yeah, sorry, I forgot to ask you, what are your preferred pronouns?
I don't prefer pronouns at all. I just prefer my name, Luku.
Okay, good, Luko. So yeah, so it was, I'd say it was when you started working with Nazdik, that was kind of the beginning
Yes.
of something grand that was going to happen, like the
Yes.
future, the grand future that was coming, and how everything, and then the Pride happened, and how you got involved with the Pride, and then like it's like from a small point, how everything just kind of
Yeah.
or like emerged, like yeah, it was. Then I have a feeling of people জুই হয় নিচিনাকে, it's
Oh,
like
একদম.
yeah.
আৰু
So
এবাৰ মানে জুইটো লাগাৰ পিছত আৰু ৰেপিড ফায়াৰ হৈ গ'ল, তাৰপিছত আৰু ৰখা নাই আৰু.
yeah. I think that has been the beauty of the LGBTQIA movement in the Northeast. I think it since 2014, it was like a small seed that was thrown, and how it like caught fire, and how it's like kind of really spreading. I mean, fire in a good way, good fire,
Yeah.
not I'm not talking about the destructive fire. So that's been a very great process in itself. And I think a lot of great leaders have emerged in that process, like yourself. And yeah, so thank you for all the work that you have been
Thank you.
doing. So until 2017, when you had not, I would like to know about the time when you had not really come out yet. I mean, would you like to, like, any specific incidents that you would like to share? Because there are lots of people have joined who have actually wanted to know, like, if you're comfortable sharing, like, because you said
Totally fine.
2014, not, yeah, they start like Guwahati had its first Pride, but until 2017 you had not come. So it was like although something was going on out here, so somewhere it was not probably spreading out that much until there. So like that period, would you like to share any specific memory or
Um,
incident?
until 2017, I was, yeah. Like I said, I was leading a very pretentious life. Like the most interesting part of it is that I had boyfriends, and because when I was in class 9, that there came we started having tuitions with the guys, and I was always dressed up. I'm gender fluid, so I used to dress up. Different, I would say, different from the girls who were in my class. So the guys would either tease me, or they would make fun of me, and I have been called names a million times. So much so that I don't even get affected by those anymore, like Hijra, 50-50, all those names. So when I got into college, I just couldn't. I knew that I can't keep on carrying this, because this is like, I have two options. I have to pretend, or I have to be very strong, and I did not know how to be very strong. So I chose to be pretentious. So I had to pretend for, I don't know, 5, 7, 8, 9, almost 11, more than 10 years, definitely. And until I realized that, and in fact, until 2017, until the moment I had come out, I actually was in a 5-year relationship with a guy. I mean, but the thing is that although I identify as homosexual, my relationship with that guy was very different, because I was connected to his, I don't know, I was connected to the person behind the appearance, to that
Right.
person he was, and not his, not his physical appearance, but to the person he was.
Yeah.
And when I told him, at that the point of time, even I didn't know what was the difference, proper difference between homosexuality, bisexuality, and all these sexualities and gender identities. At that time, I did not know. So I just told him that I started off with telling him that I might be bisexual. And he was like, okay, should I be scared? I was like, no, you should not be worried.
Mhm.
Little did he know that a few minutes later I would break up with him. but
Mhm.
but then, after going to Pride, I just knew that I had to come out, because I had the strength. I finally had the strength at that point of time. Um, like I felt invincible. I don't know, when after going to the Pride, I just felt invincible, and just came back. I told that, yep, I am definitely, not straight, and until and unless I'm in a relationship with you, I cannot, I would my heart will not let me explore, and I need to explore my sexuality in order to know who I am, because definitely this is not who I am. This is the pretentious life I'm leading. So it was hard. It was really hard. And honestly speaking, some of my friends, in fact, tell me that you probably are bisexual, because honestly speaking, I still have feelings for that guy. But it was because it was a different kind of a connection. He was my best friend. He was my savior at so many, incidents. So that connection was a different kind of connection. It has nothing to do with sexuality. And I can proudly say that I'm still in love with him. But thing is that my sexuality is I'm definitely homosexual. So yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the power of queer politics, isn't it? Like unboxing everything, even the idea of looking at love itself, right? Like,
Yeah,
the way
exactly.
we look at love, that it's only man, women, heterosexual, typical relationship, which has romance and sex in it, need not always be so. And the idea of
Yeah,
looking at the idea of looking at love and relationship itself is like, I mean, we also have very like close friends in our life who we count on more even than our partners sometimes, right? So there's so many relationships that we have in our lives, but we do not give it due acknowledgement, because that's our society, how it is. Like,
exactly.
our society has only taught us to acknowledge our relationship with our parents, number one, and then with our partner, number two,
And
and the
that too, a
friends. Then
heterosexual
yeah,
partner.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's there. So yeah, but actually, in our lives, like, one need not even identify as a queer person or homosexual person, but we have so many relationships which we ourselves cannot define in our own lives, right? It's not just friends that we go party with. Like we have so many deeper connections with so many people, but we do not give it just due recognition, or just we say that we're just friends or something. But sometimes it's like probably more than that, and we count on people. So I think that's the unboxing that queer politics does, and which is
Yes.
also like, and something that is also something that we sometimes need to discuss, because yeah, mm, because that probably opens up an entirely different world view
Yeah.
of looking at.
True. True.
Yeah, so it's amazing. So since inception in 2018, Hobdo has been doing mostly outreach programs that you said. Did you face any challenges when you started off with this work, or has it been mostly like support that you have been reaching or like receiving?
Honestly speaking, we haven't really faced any challenges because I don't know how and why, but it has been quite a smooth ride for us. I would say how and why, because I have heard my friends go through worst situations I can't even name. When they were starting off, the advocacy, or you say the activism, or even the education on LGBT.
Yeah.
But here in Tezpur, I don't know, maybe because people had this pre-acquired notion that I'm gay. That's why, coming out was also easy for me, I would say. Or it might also have been because of the approach that we were taking, because we were moving very subtly. Like we were taking a very educative way of, by, talking about gender and sexuality, then showing a film, a documentary film, and explaining, because we think that the visual medium is a very, like, powerful medium. So we always use the visual medium in order to, present what we are trying to say. And then also what we have been trying to do is that when we are doing these outreach programs, mostly we have community members with us who explain about their lives, who tell people about themselves. And that is, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to get into the root of the situation, basically. Ultimately it's because people cannot see beyond the black and white that they want
That's
to
true.
see.
Yeah.
So that is, maybe it's because of the approach, I don't know. But so far, touch wood, so far so good. We hope that things get better, if and not worse, because touch wood,
No, no, it'll be good.
things are good right now, and
Yeah.
I just hope that they get better.
So the moment you started working on queer rights, LGBTQIA like plus issues, so you started with public visibility and awareness. That's where you
Yes.
started with, right? Because you like reached
Yes.
out and talks and things like, because otherwise
Yeah.
I also know of people who prefer to work privately and not make it public yet. But I think that was what was missing in Assam for a long time, which is, but in the fact that you started with that, like you started with, let us talk about it, like
Yeah.
wide
Yeah.
open. I think that's
Yeah.
that's
And
all. Yeah.
basically, honestly speaking, my approach so far, me, my colleagues, at Hubdo, my co-workers at Hubdo, our approach has been like, we'll tell you that we are homosexual or bisexual or gender fluid. We'll tell you.
Mm.
If you have any questions, if you even want to, abuse us, because we'll keep on explaining to you properly what we are actually, no matter how much you want to abuse us, until we can get into the, root of your problem, because we are not the problem.
That's right.
See, your thinking is the problem. So we'll get to the root of your problem. We will change your mentality, but we will keep on sticking to our points. Yeah, we are homosexual, bisexual, we are queer, but
That's true.
let's talk about it. If you want to, like, we focus more on teaching people. For example, like, I was gymming, like I was going to the gym for some time, and then there was this guy who was telling me, like, Rutuba, when are you getting married? Rutuba, you have been like this all your life. You have had short hair, this, that, this, that. I'm like, and I knew that, I had to come off. I just bombed him um, with saying that, no, I can't, I don't think I'll get married. Anyway, the laws that don't allow here in India. And he was like, laws? Like, I'm homosexual, I like women. And he was like, I was like, you okay? And he was like, yeah, everybody has the right to love whoever they want. Like, who am I to say? I was like, yeah, exactly. We are having this college outreach programs. Why don't you come over and then learn more? So like that. So I tell them very subtly, like, in between a conversation, I buy them a coffee, of hiding.
Yeah, I think that's a very efficient strategy too.
Yeah,
Especially
exactly.
using conversations, casual conversations to talk about issues
Yeah.
that matter. And you, like you rightly said, no, it's not, it's the problem of the society. I mean, the finger should be not here but there, right? So like, let us talk about your problem and we'll get somewhere. I think I really like that idea. I mean, I think that finger pointing has to happen somewhere. Yeah, like it has been like this way for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, like, even when you're pointing out to me, 4 fingers are pointed towards you. So let's talk
yeah.
about your 4 fingers and not the one that's pointed
Yeah,
at me.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Very exciting and very interesting. We can also take questions.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so there's this question Meenakshi has asked. What has been your experience of getting support from organization, feminist or otherwise, who necessarily may or may not ally with queer ideology and politics? Because at some level, there is still some resistance that plays out. So,
Support in what sense? That is important, because definitely mental support a lot, definitely, because my the organization I'm working right now in, Northeast Network, you must have heard of it. So
yes,
it's Tezpur office, a Green Hub project. So I work with Green Hub, and basically we are a youth fellowship program in Northeast, and we are, we train youth around Northeast, or it's a video fellowship program which trains youth for conservation action and social change.
Okay.
Basically, if I look at it, Green Hub not exactly it's not exactly a feminist organization. You cannot call it a feminist organization, or you cannot even call it a queer organization. But I would say that, the support that I have gotten from Green Hub is the reason that we were able to build up Upgrade here.
All right.
Because, most of the LGBTQ organizations, even to hold the program, they have to look for spaces, which is not very easily available. Now there are spaces, and like even in Guwahati, anything, then these spaces are available. These spaces have been available very recently. But
Yeah,
here
exactly.
in Tezpur, as we are starting up, like we only started in 2018, and we, like Green Hub, just allowed us to have the space. We have had queer meets here. We have had, people coming in. We have had people coming. I have been able to support, like queer youth came, and I was able to talk to them. And basically, this is the sort of support that we have been getting, even from feminist organizations. I would say even Northeast Network, for that matter, has been, really supporting me in my work in Hubdo as a team. And I think that itself is very important. Anything as well has been supporting us a lot. We have worked with Melinda as well in the past. Like in the first Poet Essential that was held in Tezpur University in 2018, Melinda was the invitee, and he was the one, he was the one who spoke basically about gender. He was the one who introduced the folks to gender and sexuality. So yeah, that is the kind of support we have been getting.
Okay. That's good.
I mean, support. Can I just add on a little more?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
So sometimes what happens is, I mean, just because we have to, be very inclusive in our work, in our projects that we do, I mean, সেই কাৰণে বহুত সময়ত we have to, include people from multiple sexualities. But problem to hoy, like you mentioned, in accessibility of spaces, but in collaborations, or I just want to know how it has changed in the last couple of years. Your experience, of course.
Oh, that kind of support.
Yeah, right.
So I would like to say that, the community that we have, or the, the people we have here in Tezpur, more than the community, more than people identifying as queer, we have people who are allies here in Tezpur. Then the LGBRIMH, the Lokapria Gopinath Bodler Regional Institute of Mental Health, which is I think all the central run mental health institute here in Assam, or I think the entire Northeast, if I'm not wrong. So the institute has a hub called the Youth Wellness Hub. So that hub itself has, been supporting us. We we have had events with them. The counselors, the clinical psychologists there, they keep on calling me up and telling me that, whenever you have an event, please let us know. We would like to join in. So basically, these like as allies, we have gotten a lot of support. even from non-LGBT or feminist organizations. As allies, we have gotten a lot of support.
Okay. Thank you.
Zaidi, was I able to answer the
Yes,
question
more.
properly? Okay.
That's really good to know, actually, because and as I'm hearing you, I have a feeling like, because I mean, I understand that how your work has gone across sectors, right? And I think that what makes it intersectional, and that is very important. Otherwise, কি হয়, আমি আমার নিজৰ ফিল্ডতে কাম কৰি থাকো, বেলেগৰ নিজৰ ফিল্ডত কাম কৰি থাকে, but we do not really come together. But but this sharing of resources, even like is sharing of resources, spaces, and later comes ideologies, which is also happening, right? So I think that is very important, because our life or two, we experience all issues like in conjunction. We do not experience each and every issue separately, like, right? Life is interdisciplinary, reality is interdisciplinary, intersectional. We cannot like really cabinet our lives into, okay,
So,
yeah, like we cannot like really organize our life
and
like
also to
what
add on to that previous answer of mine, for example, like the first quintessential, we had it in Tesco University, which is a central university.
yeah.
And one of the department professors, sorry, Mohul, I said, one of the department professors was the one, Professor P. Anbarasan. He was the one who really pushed me, and he was the one who pushed the other professors, and he got the letter to the VC, and he was the one who, convinced the VC that we should hold the program like that. And he is an ally. And we have had three events now till date at Tesco University. One workshop, the first quintessential, and very recently in the month of February, we also held Tesco's first queer film festival. So, yeah, so basically, organization-wise, both support paisa. I mean,
This is like a dream, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
like
this
a
is
dream
like
come
a,
true, I would say.
yeah, it's like a dream in reality. Yeah, like it's very rare also to have that kind of support, and and iman kom time of bhitor you have so many people like working with you. I think that's like really something great, and which is a good news for Assam at large. I think that's really, really good to know. We can also take more questions. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat, or in the, I
I
think
think somebody had put a question about something like
okay.
both are socially constructed. Yeah, queer basically is actually a term which is used for the entire LGBTQI plus spectrum, because it's like a common term that we use. Because queer মানে কি হয়? Queer মানে অদ্ভুত। আগতে মানুহবিলাকে মানে কি LGBT মানুহক অদ্ভুত এনেকুৱা ধৰণত কৈছিলে। Until we started মানে hearing আৰু what can I say? Until we started মানে hearing word টো মূৰলে অহা নাই। hearing মাৰি আছো, until we started মানে accepting that word যে হয় এনেকৈ কি কৰিবি সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মানে, so সেইটো আমি সেইটো কাৰণে মানে LGBTQI plus queer বুলি কোৱা হয়। So যেনেকে LGBTQI plus issues কোৱাতকে আমি queer issues এনেকে কওঁ। So সেইটো এটা, আৰু secondly, yeah, gender to definitely it's a socially constructed মানে heavy subject, and so is sexuality is not socially constructed. Sexuality is not socially constructed because you cannot construct somebody's sexuality. It is what you're born as. It is something that you are, that you identify as. আৰু তুমি সেইটো socially তুমি construct কৰিব নোৱাৰা। কোনেও কাকো মানে হেৰি কৰি পেলাই কি বুলি কওঁ, কোনেও কাকো ইনষ্টিগেট কৰি পেলাই homosexual বনাই দিব নোৱাৰে, কোনেও কাকো ইনষ্টিগেট কৰি পেলাই bisexual বনাই দিব নোৱাৰে। বাট সেইটো তুমি জন্মৰ পৰা হয়, আৰু সেইটো নিজেই একচেপ্ট কৰা হয়, সেই বস্তুটো আইডেন্টিফাই কৰা হয় নিজকে সেই বস্তুটোৰ লগত। So yeah.
Yeah. So if I can just like add on gender কথাটো আহিলে, like আমি ভাবো যে sex to natural হয়, gender to social constructed হয়. Even the idea of sex itself is a social construct.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
moment one is born, and when we look at the genitalia, and if a person has a penis, then we say it's a man. If a person has a vagina, we say it's a woman, female. But the fact that we are attributing meaning to that organ itself is social, right? So how do you know what is female, and if something like that even exists, right? So it like begins with a story. The moment a child is born, a story is born, and that story
Exactly.
is like social. Stories are always social, like, because that's a story, like that, you know, that এটোৱে heterosexuality normal বা regular বুলি যিটো কোৱা যায়, that's a story, and stories are fictions, right? So I mean like gender to comes much later, but the story is there the moment we attribute a gender to the genitals, right? So yeah. um Avishka says sexuality is personal is what I feel. Would you like to
Yeah, true. Sexuality is personal. Like if you want to come out about your sexuality, then it's totally your call, I would say. Sexuality, gender এবং sexuality হতে দুইটা বস্তু বহুত personal হয়, I think, towards person. মানে because it is them, it is about them. সিহঁতে কেনেকে নিজকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব খোজে সেইটো নিজৰ ওপৰত কথা ন। এতিয়া মই এতিয়া নিজকে কেনেকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব পাৰো এইটো মোৰ ওপৰত কথা। এতিয়া যেনেকে ধৰা মই যেনেকে ক'লো কি যে মোৰ বহুত ফ্ৰেণ্ডছে মোক কুৱেশ্যন কৰে কি যে মই যেতিয়া নিজৰ এক্সৰ বিষয়ে কওঁ তেতিয়া মোৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছবিলাকে কয় কি যে তই বাইচেক্সুৱেল হয়, কিন্তু মই হোমোচেক্সুৱেল হিচাপে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব পাৰো সেইটো বিচাৰো, সেইটো মোৰ ওপৰত কথা, সেইটো মোৰ মানে পাৰ্চনেল চইচ হয়। ত' সেইটোৱে কথা,
absolutely
সেইটো ইম্প'জ কৰিব নোৱাৰি কাৰো ওপৰত।
I mean নহলে মানুহে ইমানে যদি মানে নিজৰ ইচ্ছাতে sexuality change কৰি থাকিব পাৰিলে মানুহে ইমান struggle কিয় কৰি থাকিলেহেঁতেন? You would not have to form শব্দ, or you would not have to work in this life.
Exactly.
Like who wants to like always fly against the norm and do something if everything was so like, you know, well, and so everything was so like perfect and everything was so normal and natural.
I know.
Like sees it. I mean, we need not be talking about this even. Like why you are compelled to talk about this, right? Because there's a story out there that tells us that, you know, none of these things that you're talking about are real, which is a lie, right? I mean, eto nijor life hoy nije jiaisu ako upor ahi pele there are people coming and saying ki hey eto
I
no
know.
nohoy eto nohoy jobardasti nohoy ki nohoy right? So yeah, so but but you know, the fact that we are talking about this itself is a, and you know, where it has reached like the experience that you have right now, the acceptance that you have. I mean, I'm really blown out, seriously. I mean, because 2014 or JTI, when you started with the first Pride, it was a different Assam, right? Like there are
Yeah,
resistances, people are like asking weird questions, and weird questions to food. How the questions are good, like, you know, no questions are weird questions, like, you know, you can just put it out, but people are like, you know, oh, this is a conspiracy. Yeah, to blow out Assam's culture and things like that, you know. And the organizations were like, many organizations, even progressive organizations, were like, oh, this is not the right time, and things like we got to hear. So see, like, you know, now the scenario has changed. That's also the reason why I would say that truth prevails. No?
yeah.
You cannot keep a truth from emerging for a long time, no matter how much one. So after a point, one has to really kind of accept what is true. And so many young leaders are emerging. I think that's the best part of it.
Yeah. I
So
mean, like, yeah, the Guwahati Queer Pride definitely paved the way for young leaders like us.
it was the beginning. Like, you know, now you're paving so many like ways. So that's the chain. How chains? It's a chain of
Yeah.
chains. That's how it happens. Like, yeah. So I had a question for you. Like, are you planning to reach out of Tejpur through Habdo in the near future, or like what are you planning?
Yeah, definitely. We have plans of reaching out to you know other places of Tezpur as well. Like the thing is, we're first concentrating here in Tezpur is because this is what we feel is যে আমি বেলেগ জেগাত যদি কাম কৰি থাকো তেনেহলে কি হয় কি যে আমাৰ ফকাছটো এটা জেগাৰ পৰা হেৰাই যায়। চ' আমি এটা জেগাত প্ৰথমতে কাম কৰিব বিচাৰিছো, চি কি যে এই জেগাটো কেনেকুৱা হয় আমাৰ কাম, কেনেকুৱাকে মানুহে একচেপ্ট কৰে, ট্ৰায়েল এণ্ড এৰৰ আমি ইয়াতেই কৰিম, ইয়াৰ পৰাই আমি শিকিম। আৰু শিকি পেলাই তাৰ পিছত আমি ডেফিনেটলি মানে ইন দ্য মিন টাইম লগত আমি কোলাবৰেট কৰিছো অলৰেডি আৰু ইন দ্য ফিউচাৰ এজ ৱেল কোলাবৰেশ্যন হৈ থাকিব কিন্তু আমি আমাৰ মেইন ফ'কাছটো আমি তেজপুৰৰ ওপৰত কৰিব বিচাৰিছো ত' প্ৰথমতে তেজপুৰৰ মানুহখিনি অকমান চেঞ্জ হৈ লওক যিখিনি
No,
মানে
no, fair enough. I'm just like, kind
yeah
of.
no
Yeah.
definitely
Just being- yeah,
so
yeah.
এতিয়া যেনেকে মোৰ ফেমিলিকে it took them a whole year to accept when I came out like when I came out to my sisters it was of course I understand mane it's difficult for them to take it because they knew kids I used to have crushes on girls
Wait,
but
I can, may I stop you? But
yeah
tell us about your coming out story to your family, like in
Okay.
detail. We really want to know.
so it was in 2017 like I told you like when I told my boyfriend that I'm breaking up so that day I came home and I told my family my sisters and my mother that I that I broke up with him and
That day itself. That day itself. Edina
yeah
question.
that day itself
Wow.
আহি পেলাই কৈছো মই ইয়াৰ লগত ব্ৰেকআপ কৰিম মায়ে কৈছে কিয় কি মানে মই তেতিয়াতে কৈছিলো হেৰি নকৰিব ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপত নোসোমাও বোলে বেচেৰা ল'ৰাটোক তেতিয়া তই দুখ দিলি নহয় মই একো কোৱা নাই আৰু মা কিয় কৰিলো কি কথা বাহঁতক কলো কিয় কৰিলো কি কথা বাহঁতে মানে বিশ্বাসেই হোৱা নাই যে কেনেকে হ'ব পাৰে মানে সিহঁতে জানে ডেফিনেটলি আমি একে স্কুলত আছিলো চ' এভৰি ইয়েৰ মানে সিহঁতৰ কাণত পৰে যে মোৰ নতুন ক্ৰাছ এজনী হৈছে বাট দেন একচেপ্টেঞ্চ হাৰ্ড হয় ময়ে নিজকে ইমান বছৰ ললো একচেপ্ট কৰিবলৈ মই এক্সপেক্ট কৰা নাছিলো মোৰ বাহঁতক ইমান সোনকালে মানে মোক একচেপ্ট কৰিবলৈ মোৰ ৰিয়েলিটি মোৰ লাইফৰ ৰিয়েলিটিটো একচেপ্ট কৰিবলৈ চ' বাট দেন কি হ'ল কি যে মই এটাই কথা মই বুজিলো কি যে মই জানো কি যে মোৰ বাহঁতে এটা সময়ত গৈ পেলাই হ'লেও মোক একচেপ্ট কৰিবই সিহঁতক সময় লাগিব চ' মই কি কৰিলো আৰু মোৰ মাকোতো ডেফিনেটলি বিকজ মাহঁত এটা বেলেগেই জেনেৰেশ্যনৰ হয় চ' সিহঁতৰ কাৰণে একচেপ্ট কৰাটো বহুত টান হয় ত' মই কি কৰিলো এভৰিডে ইন্দ্ৰাণীয়ে মোক কিবা কিবি নতুন কথা শিকায় এবাউট জেণ্ডাৰ এণ্ড চেক্সুৱেলিটি সেইবিলাক কথা আহি পেলাই মই মোৰ মাক কওঁ মা জানা আজি এইটো কথা গম পালো মা জানা আজি সেইটো কথা গম পালো মাৰ মানে মই নলেজটো বঢ়ালো আৰু মানে মই বস্তুটো জেণ্ডাৰ এণ্ড চেক্সুৱেলিটি মই নৰ্মেলাইজ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিলো মোৰ মাৰ লগত তাৰপিছত এটা সময়ত গৈ পেলাই মানে মায়ে একো নোকোৱা হৈ গ'ল এইটো বিষয়ে একোৱে নোকোৱা হৈ গ'ল মাজে মাজে মানে সেয়া কৈছিলে আৰু গালি কেইটামান দিছিলে আগতে প্ৰথম কিন্তু তাৰপিছত একেবাৰেই একো নোকোৱা হৈ গ'ল আৰু তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া শব্দ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিলো মাহঁতেও ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিলে কি যে মই এইটো প্ৰতি বহুত চিৰিয়াছ হয় মানে আৰু আই এম ভেৰি চিয়'ৰ এবাউট মাই চেক্সুৱেলিটি নাও ভেৰি চিয়'ৰ এবাউট মাই জেণ্ডাৰ আইডেণ্টিটি আৰু বাহঁতকো মানে মই কথাবিলাক বুজোৱা কৰিলো এণ্ড দেন এবছৰৰ পিছত মানে নহয় 2 বছৰৰ পিছত 2019ত যেতিয়া ছেকশ্যন 377 ৰিডিং ডাউনৰ 1 year হৈছিলে আমি ইয়াতে তেজপুৰত 1 year এনিভাৰ্চাৰী চেলিব্ৰেট কৰিছিলো গ্ৰীণ হাবত তেতিয়া মানে ইট ৱাজ মানে an evening of singing and dancing and talking and sharing of thoughts and all and it was a very emotional moment for me because my sisters came to that event and one of my sister my elder sisters are যোনে মানে আটাইতকৈ প্ৰব্লেম পাইছিলে বিকজ তাই মানে বিশ্বাসেই হোৱা নাছিলে কি যেনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰি বিকজ তাই বহুত মৰম কৰিছিলে মোৰ এক্সক আৰু গতিকে মানে তাই বিশ্বাস কৰিব পৰা নাছিলে যে এনেকুৱা কেনেকে আচানকছে হৈ যাব পাৰে দিছ মমেণ্ট আই এম ইন ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ দ্য নেক্সট মমেণ্ট এণ্ড গে চ' তাৰ ইমান টাইম লাগিছিলে একচেপ্ট কৰিবলৈ she in fact performed in that event and মানে এতিয়া মানে she's probably even hearing me speak right now সিহঁতে মোৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো এতিয়া whenever I'm online somewhere or য'তে মোক ফাৰ্ষ্ট স্পীচ দি আছো তেনে সিহঁতে সদায় শুনিবই এণ্ড সিহঁতে মোক ইমান ছাপৰ্ট কৰিছে এণ্ড আই ডোন্ট থিংক যে মই এই জাৰ্ণিটো পাৰ কৰিব পাৰিলোহেঁতেন উইদাউট দেম মোৰ দেউতাক ক'বলৈ সাহ নাই চ' দেউতাই প্ৰথম বহুত প্ৰেছ অন কৰিছিলে বিয়াৰ কথা কিন্তু মই আই থিংক 1000 বাৰ মান ক'লো নেকি মই বিয়া নহওঁ বুলি চ' মাছ চবে দেউতাই বিশ্বাস কৰি ল'লে আৰু তেতিয়া হ'ব এইটো কৈ লাভ নাই গতিকে বিয়া নহয় গতিকে দেউতাৰ লগত মোৰ সিমানেই আৰু ঠিকে আছে বিকজ মই সিমান I don't want to get kicked out of my house
But he knows, right? Like
I think he knows. I think he knows that I'm different. Or he knows that I am not cisgender. He'to definitely jane. Or I think hetu karone maybe he doesn't know about sexuality part, but gender part to definitely jane. So সেইটো কাৰণেও maybe তেখেতে ভাবিলে কি ঠিক আছে maybe I don't know and মানে দেউতাহঁতে বহুত liberally and বহুত independently ডাঙৰ কৰিছে আমাক we are 3 sisters আৰু আমাক ইমানেই independently liberally ডাঙৰ কৰিছে maybe that is also one of the reasons যে দেউতাহঁতে মানে ভাবিছে কি যে হ'ব আৰু and yeah but now you know my biggest strength is my family in fact recently মায়ে মোৰ বাক সুধিছিলে যে মোৰ best friend one of my best friends মানে most people think that she is my girlfriend because আমি ইমানে একেলগে থাকো আৰু তাই মোক উল্টা গালি পাৰে যে তোৰ কাৰণে মই চিংগল হৈ আছো বুলি তো মায়ে মোক সুধিছে মায়ে মানে বাক সুধিছে তোৰ গাৰ্লফ্ৰেণ্ড কোনো এতিয়া তাইৰ নামটো লৈছে তাই নেকি মায়ে কৈছে তাই বেষ্ট ফ্ৰেণ্ড হৈ মায়ে কৈছে কেতিয়াবা এইজনী কেতিয়াবা সেইজনী the very fact that my interest দেখুৱাইছে in my relationship in the fact that মানে মায়ে সুধিছে যে মোৰ কিবা গাৰ্লফ্ৰেণ্ড আছে নেকি সেইটোৱে মানে দেখুৱাই কি যে how much things have changed
of course
and মই সেইটোৱে কওঁ যে it has been মই সেইটো কাৰণে কৈছিলো কি যে I don't know how but since I came out it has been a very smooth journey for me and even for my friends যেতিয়া মই সিহঁতক ক'লো কি যে নাম কি তেতিয়া সিহঁতে মানে এনেকুৱা most of them just replied with we always knew we were wondering why you did not know so yeah that's my coming out story
the people who have come out after meeting you like the people that you have inspired in their coming out journey তেওঁলোকৰ experience বোৰ more or less smooth হৈছে নে what do you think like কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ
coming out মই নাজানো if they have come out or not but I have definitely helped them accept themselves because যোৱাকালি in fact I had met somebody I had met a friend যোৱাকালি নহয় কেইদিনমান আগতে I had met a person and mostly মই এনেকে মানুহবিলাকৰ লগত connect হওঁ on Facebook and not just coming out কিছুমানৰ personal issues মানে ঘৰুৱা কিবা কি problem থাকিলেও আনকি মোৰ লগত share কৰে so recently I met a person who is like just like me she has been having trouble coming out and she has been having a lot of problem coming out and মানে তেওঁ মানে মোক সেইটোৱে কৈ আছিলে কি যে মই কি কৰো তো মানে মই তাই মানে মোক এনেকে কৈছে এইটো হৰম'নেল ইমবেলেঞ্চৰ কাৰণে নেকি মানে বেছিৰি সিমানখিনিলৈকে ভাবিছে so it was really sad কি যে তাই তেনেকে ভাবিছে because কি কিয় আমাৰ society-টো বা society-য়ে আমাৰ এডুকেশ্যন চিষ্টেমো ইমান বেয়া হয় কি যে এডুকেশ্যন চিষ্টেমটোৱে মানে জেণ্ডাৰ এণ্ড চেক্সুৱেলিটি ইমান বেয়া এটা আইডিয়া দিয়ে কি যে she had to think that তাই হৰম'নেল ইমবেলেঞ্চৰ কাৰণে she is gay মানে so মানে মই তাইক সেইটো বস্তু বুজাই দিলো ভালকে জেণ্ডাৰ কি হয় চেক্সুৱেলিটি কি হয় জেণ্ডাৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছন কি হয় সেইবিলাক ভালকে বুজালো তাই মই কৈছো যে চা তই সময় ল জাষ্ট মানে নিজকে বুজিবলৈ নিজকে একচেপ্ট কৰিবলৈ তই সময় ল ইট উইল টেক টাইম জাষ্ট 1 year 2 years whatever but once you have accepted yourself then come out just tell your family give them time to accept you but you need to tell your family that that you are not straight
Because since you have already since you have mentioned gender expression sexuality a beleg concept হয় already they are related I'm sure there are many amongst us ইয়াতে যোনে অকমান জানিব বিচাৰিব অকমান কৈ দিব বিচাৰিবা নেকি
yeah
just like
so
short
yeah so gender we all know gender is a social construct so gender is everything gender is from what you what you feel gender is basically what you feel in your heart when you look at yourself basically to মানে very short ke bujhabole when you look at the mirror what you see yourself as that is your gender তেনেকে এটা for example মই gender fluid হয় তেনেকে মই gender fluid হয় কিন্তু in the sense that sometimes I feel very masculine sometimes I feel very feminine in this moment যদি মই মানে I'm behaving like I feel like a man the next moment I might feel like a very feminine person so তেনেকে I am gender fluid for example মই এতিয়া so তেনেকুৱা gender is basically সেইটো হৈছে gender then gender expression is how you present yourself that is your gender how you express yourself so there might be somebody june heels pindhi bhal pai a male june an assigned male at birth I would say an assigned male at birth june dhorok heels pindhi bhal pai te tekhetu hoise tekhetu gender expression aru gender identity kyo koy identity because that is what you identify as যে মানে when we are born basically তেতিয়া আমাক মানে যেনেকে আপুনি অলৰেডি ক'লে যেতিয়া আমি জন্ম হওঁ তেতিয়াই অলৰেডি এছাইন কৰি দিয়া হয় যে অ'কে জেনাইটেলছৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি পেলাই মেল ফিমেল অৰ ইণ্টাৰছেক্স সেইটো আমাক হেৰি কৰি দিয়া হয় চ' কি হয় কি যে এতিয়া যেনেকে ল'ৰা হ'লে কি কৰে ব্লু কালাৰ বস্তু আনিব ব্লু কালাৰ কাপোৰ আনিব ছোৱালী হ'লে পিংক কালাৰ কাপোৰ আনিব ল'ৰা হ'লে গাড়ী এখন দিব ছোৱালী হ'লে ডল এটা দিব চ' সেইবিলাক হৈছে জেণ্ডাৰ যিবিলাক আমাক জেণ্ডাৰ মানে জেণ্ডাৰ ৱাইজ আমাক যিবিলাক হেৰি কৰা হয় জেণ্ডাৰ স্পেচিফিক বস্তু আমাক দিয়া হয় গতিকে জেণ্ডাৰ আইডেণ্টিটি
কৰা হৈ যায় আৰু
ইম্প'জ কৰা হয় সেই
Impose
বস্তুটো
কৰা।
চ' আইডেণ্টিটি হৈছে কি যে মই নিজকে কেনেকে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰোঁ চ' সেইটো হৈছে আইডেণ্টিটি এক্সপ্ৰেছন যেনেকে মই ক'লো কি যে কেনেকে মই নিজকে প্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰোঁ মাই আউটাৰ চেল্ফ দেট ইজ মাই জেণ্ডাৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছন এণ্ড চেক্সুৱেলিটি ইজ লাইক who I'm attracted to romantically, physically, or emotionally. That is my sexuality. If I'm attracted to, if I'm attracted to both male and female assigned at birth, তেতিয়াহ'লে মই bisexual বুলি ক'ব পাৰিম নিজকে যদি মই অকল চেম ছেক্সক মানে প্ৰতি attracted to emotionally, physically and মানে হেৰি romantically তেতিয়াহ'লে মই homosexual বুলি ক'ব পাৰিম নিজকে and then there are other sexualities like demisexuality and asexuality. Basically মই হ'ব পাৰে কি যে I am not even attracted. I am not attracted to anybody মানে romantically, physically or emotionally তেতিয়াহ'লে I am asexual. And then এইবিলাকৰ আণ্ডাৰতো আনকি bisexuality হওক homosexuality হওক asexuality হওক এইবিলাকো আনকি চাবলৈ গ'লে স্পেকট্ৰামছ হয় এইবিলাকৰ আণ্ডাৰতো আনকি বহুত sexualities থাকে যেনেকে এতিয়া asexuality আণ্ডাৰত যেনেকে demisexuality আছে demisexuals are people who মানে feel that they can only মানে connect to somebody physically or when they are মানে they feel that soul to soul connection until and unless they feel that soul to soul connection they cannot মানে physically get attracted to somebody so সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বহুত মানে sexualities আছে and gender identity তেতিয়া কি হয় যে transgender wordটো চাগে আমি সবেই শুনিছো তেতিয়া transgender হৈছে কি যে when a person cannot identify them with the মানে sex they were born in basically so that person is a transgender person কিন্তু সেইটো দেন এগেইন সেইটো নিজৰ মানুহটোৰ ওপৰত হয় কি যে তেখেতে নিজকে কেনেকে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিব কেনেকে নিজকে তেখেতে নিজকে ট্ৰান্সজেণ্ডাৰ হিচাপে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰে ট্ৰান্সজেণ্ডাৰ এগেইন ইজ এন আমব্ৰেলা টাৰ্ম বহুত ডাঙৰ স্পেক্ট্ৰাম এটা হয়
বেসিক্যালি ট্রান্সেন্ডিং জেন্ডার ন
হা,
মানে মোক যেটো জেন্ডাৰ
exactly.
দিয়া যায় কিন্তু আই এম ট্রান্সেন্ডিং দ্যাট বিকজ মোক যেটো
Yes.
জেন্ডাৰ দিয়া গৈছে জন্মতে এটোৰ লগত
Yeah.
মই আইডেন্টিফাই নকৰো আই এম প্ৰবলি
Yes.
মাইট বি বৰ্ন আ মেন বাট ইউ নো
Yeah.
assigned
Yeah.
gender man কিন্তু মোৰ
Yeah.
লাগে মই ফিমেল হয় সো আই এম ট্রান্সেন্ডিং দ্যাট জেন্ডাৰ
Yes.
ৰাইট সো
মই মেল জেনিটেলিয়া লৈ পেলাই জন্ম হৈছিলো কিন্তু মই নিজকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো উইথ দ্য বডি দ্যাট আই ৱাজ বৰ্ন ইন কাৰণ ভিতৰতো মই ফিমেল পুৰা ফিমেল ফিল কৰো আই ফিল লাইক আ ফিমেল বাট দেন when I look at myself I have male genitalia or a male body so basically সেই মোৰ I am not being able to identify with that gender that has been imposed on me basically this gender identity is imposed on me right so সেই ইম্প'জ কৰা জেণ্ডাৰ আইডেণ্টিটিৰ লগত যেতিয়া মই আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো তেতিয়া সেই তেতিয়া মই নিজকে ট্ৰান্স হিচাপে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিব পাৰো ট্ৰান্সজেণ্ডাৰ আমব্ৰেলা আণ্ডাৰতে বহুত আইডেণ্টিটিজ থাকে যেনেকে ট্ৰান্স মেল আছে ট্ৰান্স ফিমেল আছে ট্ৰান্স মেল are people who are assigned female at birth কিন্তু সিহঁতে নিজকে আইডেণ্টিফাই কৰিব নোৱাৰে with the gender of female with the gender woman চাবলৈ গ'লে বা girl so সেইটো কাৰণে সিহঁতে ট্ৰান্স মেল হিচাপে নিজকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব পাৰে বা ট্ৰান্স উইমেন ভাইচি ভাৰ্চা হয় ট্ৰান্স উইমেন ভাইচি ভাৰ্চা হয় দেন বেলেগ আছে যেনেকে জেণ্ডাৰ নিউট্ৰেল এতিয়া জেণ্ডাৰ নিউট্ৰেল পিপল যোনে নিডাৰ মেল নৰ ফিমেল হিচাপে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰে সিহঁতে নিউট্ৰেল হয় দেন দেৰ আৰ জেণ্ডাৰ ফ্লুইড যোনে নিজকে বোথ আইডেন্টিফাই কৰে both male and female then এই জেণ্ডাৰ আছে যোনে জেণ্ডাৰৰ কনচেপ্টতে বিশ্বাস নকৰে সিহঁতে যে জেণ্ডাৰ যে কিবা বস্তু এটা আছে সিহঁতে সেইটোৰ ওপৰত বিশ্বাসেই নকৰে চ' দে আৰ এইচ জেণ্ডাৰ চ' তেনেকে চাবলৈ গ'লে বহুত জেণ্ডাৰ আইডেণ্টিটিজ আছে আই থিংক 70+ জেণ্ডাৰ আইডেণ্টিটিজ আছে বেচিকেলি চ' so basically gender and sexuality is sexuality definitely is something that you feel emotionally romantically but these gender identities the transgender umbrella I would say have been given to the world because to come out of the male and female gender only a 70 plus the gender identities say these are there just for a person who cannot identify themselves with the gender identity that has been imposed on them to take any one of them and then help themselves accept themselves, I would say.
Great. Thank you for that nice description, crisp description of all these different terms. Karan we come across these terms kintu confused hoy thoka jay na kuntu exactly what is what, so and of course iman this is spectrum, it's like an umbrella, that iman hekane rainbow flag
Yeah.
because it has different colors in it, right? Okol 7 color and 7 because rainbow is 7 colors, but LGBTQI it's many more than 70, 80, and I mean we can probably never count it.
Yeah,
out.
exactly.
Yeah, it's it could be. So that is also the idea of queer studies, right? We cannot really box people's gender and sexuality into just being male and female. I mean, right? So in aro bahut enuka hoy jay people who are people are trained to be heterosexual all the time. So enuka hoy jay bahut people do not even go out exploring ki hoy. People do not even question sometimes moi hoy enuka ke jiai thaki jay, but at the same time kobat na kobat dukhu thake. That's also the reason of suicides, because something that you strongly feel from inside, but society is telling you some other story. And that is, I think that's where we need to talk more and more about it, which we are. To me, asexuality kotha kolo, I think, I mean, just I want to common time diba kuiso asexuality, because we do not really talk about asexuality much. Queer LGBTQI plus issues o kotha pati thakilo ami homosexuality kotha besike pata jay. Asexuality kotha. What about people who do not feel sexually attracted to anyone, for example?
Exactly.
Premot na poribo,
Exactly.
prem hoy, but sexually
Exactly.
there are lots of people have actually reached out to me saying that moi asexual hoy kintu kenake ko enuka don amar enuka samajot ami jiat aso ba thaku jot bhaba jay je jodi if you are not sexually attracted to someone tumar kiba bemar hoise agote homosexuality bemar boli koy etia olop buza hoise je okay it is also as natural as heterosexuality, normal or abnormal as heterosexuality. So kintu asexuality kotha ahile etu to bemare aro kiba ta problem hoise goi pelai doctor dekhabo lage kiba kibi therapy lobo lage etu kenaka hobo pare manu mane sexual enuake bhaba na jay.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
in fact bisexuality for that matter সিহঁতে দুই ফালৰ পৰা মজা লৈ আছে, ইমান বেয়া শুনি এই কথাটো মানুহে একচুৱেলি কিছুমান মানুহো আনকি মই এইটো কোৱা শুনিছো কি যে দুই ফালৰ পৰা মজা লৈ আছে সেইটোৱে বহুত প্ৰব্লেমেটিক হয় এইবিলাক বস্তু ডেফিনেটলি, বিকজ কি আৰু এইটো ৰিজনৰ কাৰণে বিকজ কি পিপল লাইক টু চি ব্লেক এণ্ড হোৱাইট বেচিকেলি। ব্লেক এণ্ড হোৱাইট ইমানেই ভাল পায় চাই পেলাই কি যে অকমান যদি কালাৰ আহি যায় সিহঁতে সেইটো এটা হিচাপে চাই কি কি হৈ গ'ল ইয়া, সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণত চাই সেই বস্তুটো। চ' ডেফিনেটলি এসেক্সুৱেলিটি বাইসেক্সুৱেলিটি পিপল আৰ হ'ব নোৱাৰে, guys are just এটা সময়ত তহঁতে গম পাবি কি যে তহঁত নহয় তেনেকুৱা, you're just having fun, বা asexual মানুহক আনকি জোকাই যে if somebody is not sexually attracted to anybody তেতিয়াহ'লে জোকাই তই asexual নেকি তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মই বহুত শুনিছো মই তেনেকুৱা। চ' সেইটো কাৰণে যেতিয়া ইনফেক্ট যেতিয়া আমি নিজৰ জেণ্ডাৰ এণ্ড চেক্সুৱেলিটি এপ্ৰ'চটো কৰো তেতিয়া আমিও চেষ্টা কৰি আছো কি যে এই বাইচেক্সুৱেলিটি এণ্ড এচেক্সুৱেলিটি এই দুটা বস্তুৰ ওপৰত যাতে আমি ফ'কাছ কৰিব পাৰো, so that এইটো বস্তু যিটো টেবুটো আছে, ইনফেক্ট কুৱেৰ কমিউনিটিটো যিটো টেবুটো আছে around bisexuality and asexuality, taboos বিলাক যাতে নাইকিয়া হৈ যায় eventually.
Yeah, that is, I think, extremely important. Do we have any other questions for the speaker? Please feel free to just.
I can ask one question.
Yes, please. Yes, please go ahead.
So, Luku, I would like to know your journey from Aparna to Luku.
Arpana.
Yes.
Arpana to Luku. So yeah, when I came out 2017, I didn't even have I had no idea. I was even confused about myself because I thought that okay, because I was romantically involved with a guy for so many years, but I am bisexual. Because I did not even know that I could choose who I wanted to identify as. So I never could connect to the name Arpana because I find it very feminine and I am kind of, although I'm gender fluid, but I am more, I identify more masculine. So কি হৈছিলে কি যে মই যেতিয়া Arpana word টো কিবা নাজানো কি লাগে মই কানেক্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰিলো কেতিয়াও Arpana চহতে বুলি তাক কয় মই কানেক্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰো বাট লুকু বুলি ক'লে that's me. It's the perfect word. It just describes me, Lukku. So eventually when I as my journey went on and I got to know a lot, I started learning. I'm still learning. I'm still in the learning process. কিন্তু as মই শিকি গৈ আছিলো সেই শিকি মই realize কৰিলো কি যে I can also identify I can also choose my preferred name. I could choose my preferred pronouns. তেতিয়ালৈকে মই in fact I think 2018 মানহে গম পাইছো I can actually choose my preferred pronouns even. So সেই তেতিয়াৰ পৰা I prefer people who know me personally or people I work with to call me Lukku instead of Arpana. তেতিয়াতো এনেকুৱা হয় Arpana বুলি মাতিলে মই পাহৰি যাওঁ ঘূৰি চাবলৈ.
Okay. Yeah. That's very interesting, no? কেতিয়াবা আমাৰ যিবোৰ নাম দিয়া যায় সেইটো নামো কেনেকুৱাকে it also kind of
In fact নামো চাবলৈ গ'লে এটা জেন্ডাৰৰে এটা হেৰি হয় ন কাৰণ কি only because I was born with female genitalia সেইটো কাৰণে মোক Arpana নামটো দি দিলে which is very feminine, which sounds very feminine. এটা Arpan দিয়া হলে মোৰ Arpan নিদিয়ে কিন্তু কিয় because that sounds masculine. এইটো জেন্ডাৰ আৰু সেইটো কি জেন্ডাৰ এটা ইমপ্লিকেট কৰে.
Yes, true. But at the same time, there are also names which are like, for example, like I know a person called Maya, but that's a man. But our side, মই আজিলৈকে যিমান Maya নামটো শুনিছো, it's always been a woman and like একদম পুৰা feminine women. So, and then this person whose name is Maya and like a man. So it was also.
In fact, I have back in school. I think in college, my friend আছিল তেখেতৰ নাম দেৱৰ্ষী আছিলে. অসমীয়া দেৱৰ্ষী, ইংলিছত লিখিলে দেৱশ্ৰী হৈ যায়. গতিকে ল'ৰাবিলাকে জুকাইছিলে এইটো ছোৱালী নাম.
I think that way Punjabis are quite forward, right?
Yeah. I know,
it could be all gender neutral.
That from our point of view, but you never know. Like Punjabi society, ভিতৰত to Baljit, কেনেকুৱাকে about how they process the meaning. I think it's also very cultural, no? The idea of a name is also very cultural. To male, what can become a male name or a female name? It's how that those are like kind of boxed.
Yeah, and like gender itself is like very. It differs from culture to culture, no? Then again, Scotland or India, men wear skirts. It's a traditional dress, হয়. তাতে আমাৰ যদি পুৰুষসকলে যদি স্কাৰ্ট পিনে তেনেহলে কিমান বেয়াকে তেখেতসকলক হেৰি কৰা হ'ব টন কৰা হ'ব সো আই থিংক ইটো কালচাৰৰ ওপৰতো আনকি বহুত মেটাৰ কৰে
আৰু also like Judith Butler বুলি এগৰাকী যে ফেমিনিষ্ট আছে sexuality board, she also talks about how gender to কেনেকুৱা এটা performance হয় আৰু সেইটো মই experiment কৰি চাইছো because I also kind of I mean I can be very feminine, but I can also be very masculine if I want to. So, ketiaba I based on the dresses that I wear and the way I walk and talk, manuar heri reaction to me changes. Like, ek second. And Cityvas is the best place to really experiment it. Agote more suli jetia suti asile aru moi ei heri short eta pinu tolot heri টাইট স্পেগেটি এটা নিচিনা ওপৰত শৰ্ট এটা পিন্ধো আহি পেলাই মোক সদায় কণ্ডাক্টৰটো সদায় লেডিজ চিটৰ পৰা উঠাব খোজে এইটো ছোৱালীৰ চিট হয় বুলি একেদিনাই মই যদি অকমান স্কাৰ্ট পিন্ধি পেলাই অকমান কেতিয়াবা শাৰী চাৰী পিন্ধিলেতো বেলেগ স্কাৰ্ট পিন্ধিলে লগে লগে people's reaction to me changes like and it's I'm I'm like মইতো পাৰফৰ্ম কৰি আছো it's a performance right at the same time
yeah
like
true
like you can
actually
really
in fact সঁচা কথা আগতে যেতিয়া মই before I came out আৰু মই শাৰীও পিন্ধি পাইছো আনকি like very which is very funny because মানে মোৰ বহুত হাঁহিছিলে মানে মোৰ friends বিলাকে মোক দেখি পাইতো হাঁহে because কি মই পিন্ধিব নোৱাৰো manage কৰিব নোৱাৰো কিন্তু তথাপিও আৰু পিন্ধো আৰু for the sake of the মানে okay cultural কাপোৰ পিন্ধি থাকিব লাগিব cultural হেৰি কি হয় আৰু traditional কাপোৰ পিন্ধি আহিব সেইটো কি হয় কি যে মানে traditional is traditional right you can even wear dhoti kurta and that is traditional but no you can't because you're মানে you are assigned female at birth so you have to wear মানে মেখেলা চাদৰ so মেখেলা চাদৰ শাৰী সেইবিলাকো পিন্ধি পাইছো and মানে মই নিজকে মেণ্টেলি প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰি যাওঁ কি যে আজি মই এইটো ৰোল নিভাম I will
Yes,
be
yes.
a woman today so তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মানে মই তেনেকুৱা হৈ পেলাই যাব লাগে আৰু নিজকে পুৰা মেণ্টেলি মানে প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰি যাওঁ আৰু যে এইটো কাৰণে and in fact মানে মানে সঁচা কৈছো আপুনি যিটো কৈছে একদম সঁচা কথা কি যে it's a drama ultimately and we are all মানে it's kind of like a acting কৰি আছো ন গোটেই বিলাকে আমি
Like, and also এইটো কাৰণে সেইটো perform কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সৰুৰ পৰা train কৰা হয় ন
yeah
this is how you should ছোৱালী এনেকে নাহাহে ছোৱালী এনেকে নবহে বা ছোৱালীয়ে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা নকয় লৰাই মানে ছোৱালীয়ে কান্দে লৰাই নাকান্দে these are all performances like কি কি behavior allowed হয় ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে বা কি কি behavior allowed হয় লৰাৰ কাৰণে so
yeah
যদি কোনোবাই লৰাৰ নিচিনা behave কৰে ছোৱালীৰ নিচিনা behave কৰে তেতিয়া society সমাজখন confuse হৈ যায় কি হ'ব so confusion হৈ যাব দেখোন আমি কেনেকৈ গম পাম লৰা কোন ছোৱালী কোন এনেকুৱা নিচিনা because we are like and I think the deeper I mean এইটো কথা বহুত সঘনাই পতা নাযায় because আমাৰ সমাজখন I think don't you think that because our society আমাৰ যিটো gender and sexuality concept যিমান personal হয় at the same time বহুত politically কিয় হয় because our whole society is structured around two genders male and female if you look at the institution of family it's heterosexual family men takes the lead
exactly
the child gets the surname of the father তেনেকুৱাকে legacy to চলে so এনেকুৱাকে the resources are transferred that's how গোটেই সমাজ ব্যৱস্থাটো তেনেকুৱাকে চলি আছে যেতিয়া when people come out saying that নাই মই এইটোত বিশ্বাস নকৰো মই ল'ৰা বা ছোৱালী তেনেকুৱাকে মই আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব নিবিচাৰো so ultimately that is a statement against the existing system বেছি এটা বিপ্লৱী ধাৰণা হৈ যায় কাৰণ মানে এতিয়া চব উল্টা পুল্টা হৈ যাব দেখোন কি হ'ব এতিয়া সমাজখন I think আমি যিটো হোমোফোবিয়া বুলি ভাবো it's like somewhere it comes from there কাৰন the reason and it has been made so কি কম পাৰ্সোনেল যেন দেখা যায় মানুহ পাৰ্সোনেলি হোমোফোবিক কিন্তু আচলতে এটা সোশিয়ালি ইনস্পায়াৰ্ড
like I said no it's a black and white to যদি অকমান হলেও কালাৰ আহি যায় লগে লগে মানে মানুহ বিলাকে এইটো ল'ব নোৱাৰা হৈ যায় because কি সিহঁতে মানে কি হয় মানুহ বিলাকে people do not want to মানে think or they do not want to মানে নিবিচাৰে মানে অকমান ভাবি চাবলে মানুহে নিবিচাৰে অকমান মানে কি বুলি কয় এতিয়া ইন্ট্ৰস্পেক্ট কৰিবলে নিবিচাৰে সিহঁতে মানে যিটো মানে মুখত দিয়া হৈছে ঠিক আছে people like to be spoon fed বুকছত এইটো পঢ়িছে ঠিক আছে তাৰমানে এইটোৱে হয় ইয়াৰ পৰা অকমান যদি ডিফাৰেণ্ট হৈ যায় নাই আমি একচেপ্ট নকৰো আলটিমেটলি সেইটোৱে হয় চাবলৈ গ'লে
কি হ'ব আমাৰ ফিউচাৰটো আমাৰ সমাজ ব্যৱস্থাটো কি হ'ব আমাৰ ফ্যামিলিটো কি হ'ব মানে এইবোৰ যিবোৰ right
in fact matrilineal society যদি আপুনি চাবলৈ যায় মেঘালয়া matrilineal society হয় কিন্তু আলটিমেটলি matrilinear হয় কি যে ছোৱালীয়ে মানে হেৰি পেৰেণ্টছৰ সম্পত্তি মানে ছোৱালীয়ে পায় ল'ৰাটোৱে মানে ছোৱালীজনীৰ surname লয় সেইটো হয় matrilinear হয় কিন্তু আলটিমেটলি patriarchy only plays a role council members তো গোটেইখিনি পুৰুষখিনি আছে
ultimately decision making
ঘৰৰ ডিসিশনটো পুৰুষখিনি হাততে আছে
definitely so যিমান যি হলে আমি মানে ঘুৰি ঘুৰি আহি পেলাই সেই পেট্ৰিয়াৰ্কিটো
exactly ultimately
পেট্ৰিয়াৰ্কি পুৰুষতান্ত্ৰিকতাটো এনেকুৱা এটা সমাজ এনেকুৱা এটা ব্যৱস্থা ক'বাত নহয় ক'ৰবাত মানে ফুৰুঙাই দি হেৰি কৰি আহি পেলাই আলটিমেটলি কন্ট্ৰলটো লৈ ল'ব মানে আলটিমেটলি ইট গোজ টু মেন very interesting ওপৰত দেখাত লাগে কি okay there are females everywhere there are women everywhere taking leads and they are like say even queer people taking lead but ultimately it comes down to like men's rule বহুত সেইটো কাৰণে আমি বহুত consistently কাম কৰি থাকিব লাগে and যিটো কৰা হৈছে already the kind of work that you are doing like we are not just talking about homosexuality or sexuality we are talking about an entirely different world য'ত equality in true sense exist কৰিব পাৰে মানে equality in true sense could be established it's just not about being queer or being having the rights of being a homosexual person I think it goes much beyond it it's like the freedom to be anyone that we want to be, like, without any
Yeah,
stigma, without any
exactly,
discrimination, like, we can
exactly.
have all the rights in the world, irrespective of, how I choose to become, like, or how I am from inside, or how I choose to become, like, এনেকুৱা কেনেকুৱা মানুহ
Sometimes
হিচাপে।
মোৰ outreach programs বিলাকত এইটো মানে মই কথা কেইটা joke কৰি পেলাই কওঁ, just to make the heavier a little lighter, situation অকণ light কৰিবলে। কিন্তু মানে মই এইটো কওঁ কি যে if I মানে gender এটা এনেকুৱা বস্তু বা মানে এই গোটেই spectrum টো LGBT গোটেই spectrum টো এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু কি যে I can be whoever I want. Like, if I want to identify as homosexual, I can. If I want to identify as bisexual, I can. If I even want to identify, if I don't want to identify as a human, I want to identify as a panda, I can. So, এই spectrum টো এনেকুৱা হয়।
মানে আৰু এটা মানে কথা, যেনেকে আমি কাষ্ট বুলি ক'লে আমি জানো কাষ্ট বেয়া, বা ক্লাছ ডিছক্ৰিমিনেশ্যন বেয়া, বাট when it comes to sexuality, মানুহে মানে সেনেকুৱাকে এটা কাষ্টটো যেনেকুৱাকে এটা ছ'চিয়েল চিষ্টেম, জেণ্ডাৰ যিটো আমাৰ ছ'চাইটি, সেইটো এটা ছ'চিয়েল চিষ্টেম বুলি মানি ল'বলৈ টান পায়, এনেকুৱাকে ভাবে যে এইটোতো নেচাৰেল এনেকুৱা হোৱাটো। So, মানে সেই বস্তুটো, the fact that, the people, if we can talk against caste-based discrimination, if we say that caste is not a natural phenomena, if we can say that class is also like, man-made, like constructed, why cannot we say that gender,
Exactly.
is also a constructed thing, and and especially even sexuality sometimes is constructed, heterosexuality এনেকুৱাকে constructed হয় to perpetuate the social order that we live in. I think probably one day আমি সেইটো দিনত আহিম যেতিয়া মানুহে সকলো বস্তুবোৰ চাবলে okay, ইমান no big deal, ইমান বেছি হুলস্থুল, ইমান ভয় খাবলগীয়া একো নাই, it just, we live in a society which is so kind of constructed. I think we have been having a very like fruitful conversation with you. It was very nice. Aru, if for the viewers and anybody who wants to know more about this discussion, Anajori has been hosting this series of webinars on gender and sexuality, jot ami beleg dhoroner kotha patim, gender and sexuality upor, jeneka aji lukur logot patilu. Last week Santa Khurai was our guest from Manipur. She is a transgender rights activist from Manipur. Tekhetor heri to discussion to lecture to amar YouTube channel at pabo, which will go live like shortly. I think Luku's will also be available. So there will be a lot of resources online on our YouTube channel jito share kora jabo. I think for the Zoom participants who are here, YouTube channel link to already share korise yate, and Anajori teamor pora apnaloke ebar khuli sabo pare. We have not really gone live, but when we go live, all of this discussion will be available online. Aru there would be more and more আমি আৰু খানি খানি গৈ থাকিম. It is like a rabbit hole. বহুত কথা আছে যিবোৰ আমি পতা নাই, বহুত যুগ যুগ ধৰি পতা নাই. We have not been speaking about this about centuries. বহুত যুগ যুগ ধৰি পেলাই আমি অকল হেটেৰ'ছেক্সুৱেলিটি কথাই পাতি আছো, অকল ভাবো যে অকল পৃথিৱীখনৰ ৰং হয় কলা নাইবা বগা, পৃথিৱীখনৰ ৰং এটাই বুলি আমি ভাবি আহিছো, কিন্তু আচলতে পৃথিৱীখনত ইমান বেছি ৰং আছে, ইমান বেছি পচিবিলিটি আছে, ইমান বেছি জানিবলগীয়া আছে, আমি সেইবোৰ আমি লাহে লাহে আৰু বেছিকে পাতি গৈ থাকিম. So thank you, Luku, so much. Thanks a lot for joining us here.
Thank you for the invitation in the first place.
I think it was a very very fruitful discussion, and
thanks to this, in fact, আমি for the first time ভালকে কথা পাতিব পালো. Otherwise most of the time pride log পাও, but এনেকে মানে pride related events log পাও আৰু কথা পাতাই নহয় properly.
I've seen you in 2017 Pride, ekdam pura full energy, you are like there, and I remember that visually very. So I can, to me jeta eta koi asa, I could like, I really had that picture in my mind, monot mane, I could remember monot asle tumi ekdam iman very enthusiastic, very energetic, ekdam you are like ekdam khati jam jane etia. It's like that energy full too. I think
2018 Pride hobo moi Batman boni goisilo.
Oh, Batman. Oh, 2008 Batman. You're Batman, right? That's when I saw him. Yeah. But yeah.
Oh, why Melinda?
যোৱাৰ আগতে এটা question সুধিব খুজিছিলো.
Okay.
I went to Tezpur when I saw you last time. 2017, right? Or 18, I forgot.
2018.
2018 পৰা এতিয়ালৈকে do you see changes like for us, like for B2P and us, when we go to Pride, and we always remember what was it in 2014, right?
Yeah.
And 125 to now to over 1,000 people join, right? So to me, key different things in Tezpur, you know, is there something that you can relate, like, oh, 2008 was you know?
Definitely, my বহুত changes আহিছে because 2018 লকে I had friends, I knew people in Tezpur যোনে মই যেতিয়া first homosexuality কথা কৈছিলো সিহঁতে তবা type কৰিছিলে and now এতিয়া সেইবিলাক মানুহে মোক defend কৰে. Then people have started talking about LGBT. I see a lot of kids now coming out, openly, openly হেৰি কৰা আৰু কি যে they are gay, accept কৰা বা posting pictures or posting about homosexuality or talking about LGBTQI+ basically. And recently even we had a peer panel discussion that one girl came out as being asexual. But these things, I don't think এই যিটো আমি dialogue যিটো start কৰো 2018 আগত because I have lived here my entire life. মই 30 বছৰ ইয়াতে আছো তেজপুৰতে। So মই দেখিছো that change 2018 যেতিয়া আমি first dialogue to change start কৰিলো to now, I think এটা huge এটা huge bridge এটা I think আমি like gap এটা আমি bridge কৰিবলৈ পাৰিছো। Even with people like in my circle itself, there were a lot of people that when I first came out to them, they were like, এইবিলাক নুবুজি দেই, এইবিলাক নুবুজি, এইবিলাক কি আৰু মই নুবুজে, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ। এতিয়া যেতিয়া ৰাস্তাত গৈ থাকো, then they they point out to somebody and they like, ছোৱালীজনী ভাল লাগিছে ন, সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ। So that is the change, and সঁচা কৈছো I have noticed that change, আৰু মই হেৰি কৰা নাই, boast কৰা নাই, but I think all we needed was to start the dialogue. This town needed was for somebody to speak up, for somebody to just keep on start the fire. যেনেকে আমি start কৰিছিলো কথাটোৰে, now just to start the fire, এটা just match stick এটা just জ্বলাইছিলো, আৰু এতিয়া it's everywhere. In fact, like friends, me and my queer friends, like even like আমি হাঁহি আমি তেজপুৰত ঘুৰো যে we are so queer, like we are a few of my like effeminate men friends and me, I am very masculine. আমি যেতিয়া ওলাই যাওঁ, people stare at us, কিন্তু আগতে যেনেকে মানুহে জুকাইছিলে এতিয়া সেইটো নকৰে। We have all faced this, these are the realities of life. বহুত ফেচ কৰিছো আমি, কিন্তু এতিয়া সেইবিলাক সিহঁতে কৰিবলৈ নাযায়, কাৰণ কি বহুত মানুহে শিকিছে through these college outreach programs that we have been doing.
Beautiful, isn't it? It's like
it's an amazing journey. আমি যে ওলাই যাওঁ, আমি এনেকে কওঁ কি যে তেজপুৰ is such a queer town, আমি এনেকে হাঁহো, কিন্তু আমি জানো that emotion that we feel, because growing up we have all gone through that discrimination. We have all seen it, we have all been there, having lived here all our lives.
beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope গোটেই অসমখন, নৰ্থ ইষ্টখন, গোটেই পৃথিৱীখন, ইণ্ডিয়াখন,
Yeah, exactly.
পৃথিৱীখন queer friendly হওক, queer friendly বুলি নকওঁ, queer হওক, I mean we reach there.
There's a queer in all of us,
Yes,
of us.
of course,
It's
of course.
just
It's just like সেইটোৱে when I say that, when we use
identifying
terms
it and
like
accepting it.
yeah, like আমি যেতিয়া কওঁ queer friendly, it's like queer is another and being friendly is being, so it's like there's a queer in all of us, and
Yeah.
in some ways or the other we all are queer. So
Yeah, exactly.
যোনদিনাখন আমি সেইটো ষ্টেজত পামগে যে okay, it is okay, it's no big deal to be
I know.
queer, and there's nothing adbhut in being queer. Then yeah, and that's what, like until then, like we have to keep working. Thank you very much. Before we go, is there anybody who wants to ask any question? কিবা প্ৰশ্ন থাকিলে সুধিব পাৰে, কাৰণ আমি I think আমি আমাৰ already time to আমি exceed কৰিছোৱে because the discussion was interesting. কিবা প্ৰশ্ন আছে নেকি কাৰোবাৰ? Unmute কৰি পেলাই সুধিব পাৰে। বা ফেচবুকতো কমেন্টত you can just post your questions if you have.
Just এটা last এটা কথা মানে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো, just like Enajori has been doing মানে sessions on gender and sexuality. So আমাৰ যেনেকে outreach programটো আমি কৈছো quintessential. So quintessential ফালৰ পৰা আমি every weekend মানে আমি শব্দৰ ফালৰ পৰা we are holding these sessions on gender and sexuality, trying to break it down মানে gender কি হয়, gender identity কি হয়, gender last week আমাৰ যেনেকে DT লেখা DT লগত আমাৰ এটা session হ'ল on gender identity, gender expression and gender. এতিয়া this week Sunday 6টা বজাত আমাৰ এটা next event আছে on sexuality, basically like breaking the term sexuality, sex, sexuality, sex as an act, আৰু সেইটো ওপৰত আমাৰ এটা session আছে. So if anybody is interested, then definitely Facebook, আমি Facebook আৰু আমাৰ Instagram page ত গোটেই information খিনি আছে, so they can log in and they can register themselves.
I think I think that would be a very fruitful discussion. আমি সেই টাৰ্মবোৰ মানে গভীৰলৈ গৈ পেলাই বুজি exactly হয় কি unpacking it. I think that's very important. So I think we are going in a very good direction. অসমতো এতিয়া এইবোৰ কথা আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিছো। প্ৰথম LGBTQIA themed অসমীয়া চিনেমা জোনাকী বৰুৱা ফায়াৰফ্লাইজখনো ৰিলিজ হ'ব খুব সোনকালে, আৰু মানুহে people's reaction to everyone has been like really excited and have been asking about the release. So yeah, I think we are going ahead in the right direction. I mean, I'm pretty positive about it. Thank you very much, Luku, once again. And আমি আকৌ কথা পাতিম কেতিয়াবা
Thank you to you
in
as
the
well.
future. And
Yes,
thank you for your
definitely.
time.
All
Okay.
right.
And thank you everyone for attending and patiently ইমান দেৰি সকলোৱে শুনি আছে, সেইবাবে বহুত বহুত ধন্যবাদ। আমি পুনৰ লগ হ'ম অহা বৃহস্পতিবাৰে 6টাৰ পৰা 7টাৰ ভিতৰত। Thank you very much.
কাৰোবাৰ কিবা questions থাকিলে further they can reach out to me through the team Enajori.
Great. Yes, sure. Please, anybody, any questions, please feel free to share. আমি লোকক ফৰৱাৰ্ড কৰি দিম, তাৰপিছত আনচাৰখিনি আপোনালোকৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিম। Thank you very much.
All right.
Bye. Take care.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.